we are having this precision glue gels is included into your sub box this month to celebrate is like anniversary, and we are gonna go back to where it started with this. It will hold out to 1,000 of design for crystal design from so many salon, and for a lot of you, thanks so much for your love and support. Trust us and let's be part of your journey. So I'm gonna seal all of the metals and frame right here. You can also using on the other end. I shows a lot in the different videos. In the other ends that you can use is to the bristle, the brush. You can brush more precision glue gels on it. All right, so now we are going to cure for 60 seconds. You can go back and add more as you are going to feel like, oh my god, it's still scratchy here. So I'm gonna add more. Absolutely, you can add more and you can seal more. Make sure you give it a little bit of like flash cure. 30 seconds first before you are going to do the second layer. Then you don't have to worry about it's going to flood your crystal or make it look lumpy. Good. And I'm sealing it on around here. This is so cute. It looks chandelier. It's like, is this